Hello guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel Rishi Labs. In today's video, we will see how to download and install Nmap software on Windows. So let's get started. For this, you require a web browser. I'll make use of Google Chrome. In the address bar, you need to enter Nmap download and press enter. You'll get this first link, download the free Nmap security scanner. Select this link. So this software is available for Windows, Mac OS, Linux. Okay. So we are going to select for the Windows. On this page, you need to look for the latest stable release self-installer. Okay, we'll select this first link. This will download the setup file. Once the download is complete, you need to select, click on open. You get a pop-up, select yes. I'll minimize the web browser. Click on I agree. Click on next. Click on next. Install. Click on I agree. Click on install. Click on next and finish. Click on next and next. Click on finish. So this is the desktop icon, okay, for Nmap. Double click on this app icon to launch. So this Nmap software is basically used as a network scanning and security auditing tool, which allows you to discover hosts on a network, find open ports on a computer or server, identify services running on these ports, okay, and detect the operating system of a target machine, identify software versions running on those services, perform security audits to find exposed services, check whether hosts are online or offline. So a lot of features are there. That's all for today, guys. Do subscribe to my YouTube channel Rishi Labs. Thanks for watching.